Miss Niue and Miss Teen Niue organizers has announced that a beauty pageant for a week-long competition starting on Saturday the 31st of July to the 7th of August, and they are also expecting the winner of the Miss Niue Aotearoa pageant from New Zealand. This year's competition is a little different, and today we spoke to one of the organizing committee, Robin Heko, regarding the competition.
So far we only have inquiries about the pageant, but there is interest out there, and we're hoping and encouraging everybody to put in their girls for this competition, and we're hoping to give a good show like the last show we did 2 years ago.
What would you like to see from the girls? What do you expect?
I think we just wanted the girls to represent the businesses or the groups that they are representing, to give them a good representation, more about the culture and more about our place Niue, and hoping that they'll learn and they'll be able to promote a lot of things here on the island.
Robin was also excited that Niue has succeeded in the Miss South Pacific pageant and wishes to encourage young ladies about benefits of entering the competition.
And this is the first time that we're really working with the group in New Zealand for Miss Niue Aotearoa, and hoping they are coming up for the competition. Whoever's going to win the Miss Niue Aotearoa, she'll be representing Niue Aotearoa, and they'll be coming up to compete for the Miss Niue title here on the island. And that includes other girls that are outside of New Zealand, Australia or US or wherever they are, if they're in their local competitions, or if they wanted to come directly here because of their Niuean descendants, they'll be able to come. We allow them to come.
Now, you must be happy with how your committee has, I guess, come up with 2 Miss South Pacific out of all the years that Niue has entered the pageant.
Yes, we have. We're pretty much recognized now in the Pacific for our small population and for small Niue. We're able to be quite a strong candidate out in that area. To win 2 titles and also to be a strong competitor out there. They're now being aware, and they're now kind of step back and know that Niue is a very strong contestant.
The competition for Miss Niue has been called for eligible young ladies between the ages of 17 to 25 years old, and Miss Teen Niue between the ages of 13 to 16 years of age. Close of registrations will be on the 16th of July.